Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I do know it has been a while. It has been at least 3 weeks and I am so sorry for that. I've been super busy working so much, so I've had zero time to film anything, edit anything. I'm so sorry, but I am back on track and I'm ready to go. In today's video, I have some new lipsticks I'm going to be trying, and I am so excited to show you the 2 shades that I picked up. So if you want to see the lipsticks that I'm going to be trying, please keep watching. We have the Kylie Lip Kits. So I'm just super excited that they're finally in Canada. They're sold at Shoppers Drug Mart now. So as soon as I saw them, I was like, yes, I can finally try them, because I did see her old formula had some not so great reviews. So I'm excited because she has the new formula. They're now sold in Canada, so they are sold at Shoppers Drug Mart for $37 a piece. But yeah, so I'm just gonna dive in. We have Cocoa K, which is a super popular shade, and 20, which to me, I just really love a nice fall shade, so that's why I picked up this shade. Each kit comes with a liner and a liquid lip. This is Cocoa K. They did change the packaging, if I'm not mistaken. Now they're pink instead of black. I do love this packaging, I'm not gonna lie. This is sleek, it's beautiful. I heard amazing reviews about the lip liners. I heard very mixed on the new formula, but not so great about the liquid lip. Like, I heard it's very drying, which is to be expected with a matte lipstick. But at the same time, like, I'm sure there's ways now, there's formulas, there's ways to like make it a little less drying. I heard the old ones were very drying. I did watch a lot of YouTube videos. That's how I do my research if I'm gonna order something from the States. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply Cocoa K. I'm gonna do the lip liner first. Okay, the lip liners are beautiful. They go on like butter, and I love that. I love that in a lip liner. Okay, these lip liners, they're great. They're amazing. So smooth. So I'm going to apply the liquid lip. I do think they changed the applicator, if I'm not mistaken, because I think there's a little hole in the center now, which is nice, I guess. So it is a very thin formula. I do find I don't have very dark lips, but I feel like if you have a darker lip than what I do have, you might have to reapply it a little bit more. Like, go over it more than once. Okay, let me let this dry for a whole second, because you can't really test a liquid lip unless, you know, dry. So I do notice, like, I did have to go over it a couple times. My lips, again, are not super dark, so that's really weird to me. Maybe because it's a very light shade, I'm not sure. The pigment is there. It's just a very thin formula that I did have to go over it, which sometimes when you go over with a liquid lip, like if it's not like a one swipe situation, sometimes it becomes more drying. It starts to flake, and I don't really love that. So I'm really hoping that's not going to be the case here. So it is dry. It is transfer proof. There's nothing that came off my hand here, which is really nice. I like that. I'll even kiss like here, nothing there. So the shade is beautiful. The color is absolutely stunning. It is very dry though. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Am I too close to the camera right now? So I don't know if you guys can see it close up. It's very crackly, which I know is like a thing with a lot of liquid lips, but like, I've used some that I don't have this issue with. Like, I've used a Jeffree Star that does not have this issue. I've used my Melted Mattes, the lighter shades, I don't have this issue with. Even the Morphe one, I don't get the cracking. I'm sure if I put a lip gloss over it, it'll be perfectly fine, but I do like the transfer aspect of it. Like I said though, it is very soft. It's just very dry. The next shade is 20. Okay. I am 100% vibing on this shade. This is like my fall life, my fall vibes of all time. I hope she has the same formula happening with the lip liners, because I absolutely love that liner. Let's find out. Okay, it's definitely the same formula because it is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna apply the lipstick. Hopefully this one has a little bit more pigment to it. Okay, it does. So maybe it was just because it was a lighter shade. Okay, so also very dry, but we're aware that that was gonna happen. But the shade is absolutely stunning. I love this shade. It is so beautiful. Also, transfer proof, amazing. We love that. As I said before, if you look at my lips, you see all these little cracks that I'm really not loving. So I would probably need a lip gloss with it, or I could just bite the bullet and just deal with it. So I am gonna wear this for my whole Thanksgiving dinner. I'm gonna eat with it on. I'm just gonna wear it all day and go from there. Do I love it? I'm not really sure. I have to see how it lasts. So if you'd like to see videos like this and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And as always, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.